Respirator solenoid valve abnormal. Open the water tank cover and remove the filter. Remove the 7 plugs on the back. Loosen the 7 screws on the back. Gently remove the back cover. Loosen the 3 screws above the grid plate. Slide the top cover off from front to back. Unscrew this respirator. Check for dirt at the interface. If so, clean it thoroughly. Not lose the spring inside. Reinstall the respirator. Push forward to install the top cover. Install the 3 screws above the grid plate. Install the back cover. Install the 7 screws and unplugs on the back. Reinstall the filter.